I'm not an actor, right? But like I've had a lot of friends who've done like stuff. Just sinking to the floor.
Welcome to my Lazy Tom Girl drugstore hair and makeup tutorial. As you all know, cosmetology is very dear to my heart. It is one of my favorite activities right after doing my taxes and picking up dog poop. This is me emerging from my crib, and I look like a wild animal. In case you're wondering what I use to moisturize my face, it's actually just 100% pure moisture from the tap. It contains no additives except for maybe chlorine and the occasional fluoride molecule. The stuff I put into my hair is called this stuff. The cool thing about it is that it has the exact color and consistency of cum. See, and I just wasted some of it just to show to you. That is how committed I am to this YouTube channel. The thing about these liquid brush eyeliners is that they are super powerful. One wrong move and you have just destroyed your own life. Like, if someone took me into the woods and taught me how to use this firearm, I would think, wow, that's dangerous and powerful. And so is a black Revlon liquid eyeliner brush. Zoom in. Oh, this camera quality sucks. And I just messed up, so now I have to take off the makeup and make it look better, so it's not all smeared, because that's not socially acceptable. Yeah, I think my piece of shit camera stopped recording through part of it, so I had a whole scene where I was putting on eyeshadow, but I think my camera stopped recording and it was lost forever because it's a piece of shit camera. And as you can see, for the finished effect, I do have green stuff on my face, and I think it looks good. So here's some cringy clips of me smiling with makeup on, so now everyone knows that I'm able to do that. And that's about it. Bye.